Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming and watching. So I have a video for you and it is a Let's Talk video. And I named this Let's Talk because I see a lot of YouTubers doing that, so I'm not trying to like take it from anybody or anything like that. I'm just doing a Let's Talk because I need to talk. I've had a few questions sent to me and things like that, so let's get going. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is how has YouTube changed for me in that I'm sure you know it has been kind of talked about a lot on YouTube recently. If you are a small channel, this is going to affect you. I am not going to be monetized at all anymore, which means I will not be making any money, which is fine. I barely made any money anyway, like hardly anything in a year, so that's not really going to affect me that much at all. I'm not really doing this for money. I would love to be doing it for money and having it as a job and a career, but that is not what it has been for me. It is a hobby and I have lost my mojo for it a little bit, to be honest with you guys. I have been doing this channel for many years. Too many that I don't feel like I am being portrayed through my channel as good as I would like to be. Oh, this is so hard. I love doing YouTube videos. It's so much fun. I don't have the money to buy really expensive things. Let's be honest, I just don't. I don't have money to buy makeup every single month. I have 2 children and they have been my focus my whole life. I live in Ireland, which has struggled, and I sadly do not live in a city where there is loads of jobs. So I have struggled through the last year and a half, 2 years has been really tough. My kids are getting older, wanting more expensive things, let's be honest. Kids want laptops and tablets and phones and everything like that, and my kids are my priority and I like to make them happy and do things with them. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm not crying, I'm just, my nose is just plugged kind of, it's driving me crazy. Okay, so one thing is, why haven't I been super active? I would love to be able to put 2, 3, 4 videos up a week if I could, but I can't. I don't have enough things to talk about. I have sadly run out of things over these years. I'm not buying as much makeup anymore because I do have just a lot of makeup, and trying to get through things and things like that. I have a few video ideas. If there's anything you guys would like to see, please leave them down below. But yeah, this YouTube thing is definitely hit me hard. For some reason, people are not seeing my videos like they used to. I used to get hundreds of views. Not bragging in any way. I'm actually really happy I used to get hundreds of views. Now I'm blessed if I get 100, which is absolutely crazy. My views have totally dropped drastically. I don't know what I've done differently. I know I need to be more active and I really need to work on that, and I'm gonna try. I do try to upload on Mondays and Thursdays. It's either or both days. So I'm trying to stick to that. I'm gonna try harder. I really want to try harder. I am trying to lose weight at the moment, so if you guys would like to hear me talk about like my weight loss journey and things I'm doing and things I'm trying, I have Snapchat. I do a lot of that on there. It's just Ashley_Tiernan. Check me out on there. Instagram, follow me on there. I do sometimes some Insta stories on there as well. Yeah, I just wanted to inform you guys that I haven't given up on YouTube, but I did take a break, and I haven't even fully taken a break, but I'd have weeks where I just don't feel like doing YouTube, or I have nothing to talk about or do on YouTube because I feel like so many things have been done, so many looks have been done and things like that, and I'm no makeup expert, so you know, I can't do all these really unique, crazy eye looks. I can only just do like an everyday kind of look, or a little bolder eye look, or a smoky eye, kind of things like that. So if there's anything you guys would like to see, please let me know. I don't want to make this video too long. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I will do my best to try to answer them. My family always comes first, like I've said. So if my videos look differently, like my thumbnails, I think because I'm not going to be monetized anymore, I'm going to have crappy thumbnails, so please bear with me. I have to get my views up. Subscribers I'm fine with because you need to have over 1,000. I'm almost at 2,000. I was over 2,000 and then my subscribers have just been dropping. I don't know if it's like a lot of my subscribers were people that used to watch a lot of YouTube and now don't. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure what I can change or what I can do. I used to do a lot of hauls, and I know I'm not doing a lot of hauls as much anymore because I'm just not buying like I used to. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where I'm really going from here. I just know that I still like YouTube. I still will be uploading. It just might not be twice a week. It might be once a week. My goal is to put one up at least once a week. So that's only 4 videos a month, I know, in general. I would like to put more, and I'm going to try to do Mondays and Thursdays. It's either going to be Monday or Thursday, depending. But life is definitely a lot busier. My kids are older, evolved in lots of different things. So I'm trying. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what else to say other than I am still doing YouTube for my subscribers that have been following me for a long time. Thank you so much. For my new subscribers, thank you so much. If you could ever, every time you watch my videos, if you just thumbs them up so I know which ones you like and which ones you don't like, that would help me out. And also thumbsing up my videos helps it to get out there more as well. So thank you so much for everybody's support and kind comments. I have been definitely getting a few more comments on my videos, which is great. I just need to get my views up and then I can put cool thumbnails on again. I think that's being taken away from me when I'm not being monetized. I'm not quite 100% sure. We'll see. I'm not quite sure exactly how it's all working. I just know I'm not going to be with full screen anymore, which is fine, and making money, which is fine because I was making barely anything. I was pretty much in a year was making what, 40 euro, 50 euro at the most. So really zero money I was making anyway. So I'm not too bothered about not being monetized and making money. I would love to get back up there and be making money from my videos. But if I'm not, then I guess I'm not, which is sad. But hopefully I can get back up there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're a small YouTuber, don't let this get you down like it did get me down. It did. I will say it hit me hard there for a while. For 2 weeks, I didn't even want to record. I haven't recorded in about a month. So yeah. I don't really want to make this too much longer. So thanks guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like my videos, please keep watching them. I really appreciate it. Leaving comments, thumbsing up the videos, all that kind of stuff helps me out. Boosts me up a little bit, and I'm going to try to come out of my shell a little bit more. I wish you guys could really get in front of me and meet me because I feel like I'm more fun and like interesting to talk to in person. So I'm going to try to get that across, just to keep reminding myself I'm talking to you guys and I'm not just talking to my camera. So thank you so much guys. Until my next video, thank you. And I haven't given up. I keep hitting bumps in the road where it knocks me down a little, but I'm getting back up, and I'm trying to say to myself, it's okay, I'm not going to be monetized. It's okay, I'm, you know, not getting those views that they recommend, but I'm going to work on it and try my best to get up there because that would be awesome. And it sucks that they're doing that to us small YouTubers, but oh well, what can you do, hey? Just rise above it and get stronger and keep moving forward. And I love doing this, and it's because of you guys. So thank you. Until next time, guys and girls and everybody. I always say guys, and you know, it's just a general thing, but thanks everybody for watching. Until next time, take care.